Here it is, July 2017. I just got out of the shower because they were attacking my eyes, and I put drops in them. It helped take away the redness. And they were attacking my heart. And for some reason, when they're making it so I can't inhale and they're attacking my heart, when I get in running water, vigorous running water, I'm able to draw a breath. And as soon as I get out of the shower again, I can't. They're blinding me. They're blinding me more each day inside my own home. And they're attacking my brain more too each day. I can't even rest for sleep, even for 4 hours, that they don't take advantage of that as a perfect time to hack my brain from above and to where it burns and I wake up and I can't walk. I stagger everywhere and have to hold on to things. And like today, I woke up having severe chest pain that I never have because they were attacking my heart in my sleep, and I didn't know I was unable to breathe because I have a sleeping disorder called sleep apnea, and I was trying to sleep even though I wasn't breathing right, and then I wake up and my heart is so damaged now from the past month that even if I just try to put on a tight garment, I can't breathe. And that's never happened before. And I give out, I'm tired, I don't have any endurance from what they're doing to me.